After Harshvardhan, here comes Shreyas Gaikwad. He is doing Padma Hastasana. Shreyas Gaikwad sitting on a car and doing Padma Hastasana. Now, Prathamesh Sriram, a boy from second class. Prathamesh Sriram. Once again, he will stand on a car and salute our chief guest. Prathamesh Sriram, a boy from second class. After Prathamesh, here comes Yashwant Walekar. He is doing upside down. Upside down is also the part of Malkhamb. After Yashwant, Datta Hipparkar. Sorry, it's Nana Karande. He will perform Naukasan before us. This form is called Naukasan. Now comes Datta Hipparkar. This is called Sadiadi. Datta Hipparkar, a boy who is very flexible, who has a lot of strength. Datta Hipparkar, a boy from 7th class. This is called Bane Guruji Pakkad. This form was famous by Bane Guruji, who was special trainer of Malkhamb. After Datta, now jointly comes Yashwant. Now jointly will come Yashwant and Nana. Yashwant and Nana will present hanging Padmasana before us. Yashwant Walekar and Nana Karande. Both the boys are from 6th class. They are specially trained under Praveen Pisal sir, who was a national athlete. Please put your hands together and give them a huge round of applause. Now, Swapnil Sriram and Harshad Sriram, the cousin, are performing jointly. Both are from 7th class. They did horizontal pose before us. Now once again, Shreyas is climbing a Malkhamb here. And now comes a boy who has a lot of strength and lot of power. He has everything to show before us. His name is Om Sargar. Shreyas is sitting on his shoulder. You can see how flexible they are. You can see the perseverance in our boys. All of the boys are trained under Praveen Pisal sir. Praveen Pisal sir is their trainer. Now they will present. They have just performed a pyramid here. Now it's a special performance of Om Sargar. Om Sargar. Please put your hands together for Om Sargar. Please clap for him as loud as you can. Please inspire him. Om Sargar is trained under Praveen Pisal sir. So it's our duty to please clap for Praveen Pisal sir once again. See, Om can do whatever he wants. It's very difficult to do. Please don't try this at home. You need a special trainer for this. It can be injurious and harmful to your health. Om and his colleagues are performing a Malkhamb here. Om has performed so many variant parts of the Malkhamb, and still he is continuing. Still he is not finished yet. Please put your hands together once again. This is Om Sargar from class 11. He is a student of Junior College, Current International Junior College. Now Sri Ram and Datta are joining him. Please clap once again for this sensational performance. Om Sarga and his colleagues. Actually, Om can continue till the infinity. He never tires. He doesn't get fed up. He can do this all day. Please clap for Om Sargar and his colleagues. And please clap for our Malkhamb teacher, Praveen Pisar sir.